Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you like these videos to be helpful, kindly like and consider subscribing for more contents. If you already subscribe, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn how we can write boilerplate code to make our Golang coding faster by using some tips and tricks of VSCode. In VSCode, we have a very good facility we call user snippets. So we can use these snippets and we can make our coding faster. We know that each and every time we have to write a code again and again, and same code we have to write. For example, whenever we open a Go program, then I write here package. This is compulsory, almost we do package. We have a main function like this, and fmt, something we want to print like println, and we say welcome to Go, like this. So this kind of thing we always do, means this is the minimum code that we have to write for Go language, you see. So every time whenever I open a new file, suppose I open new file again here and I say test1.go, again I have to write this code same. So it wastes lot of time and lot of efforts of a programmer. If you are a new programmer and you are learning a Go language, it's a tedious task to write each and every time the same line of code. Suppose this code I want to write 10 times, 15 times daily, so it's look so odd and so tedious also. And we want to be a smart programmer, that's why we want some shortcut by which we can make our own boilerplate code that make our programming faster, and we would be a smart coder also. So like that, here I have this function get MySQL connection. So each and every time whenever I want to make a program for MySQL, I need to make a code like this. And but there are some changes, only database name is there for MySQL, nothing we have to change. Means the code is same, but again and again we have to remember all the codes, and we have to, you can say, waste lot of time for writing such kind of code. So in this programming, I will tell you that how you can use VS Code to make your coding faster. Like here, suppose I write this line of code, but in this file, I won't write any single line of code. You see how I will do this. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go in this file and then preferences, and then you have to go for user snippets. Click here and type here Go language. Remember that it works for all languages. It works for C++, Java and other languages if you want to use VS Code for other languages also. But I am explaining in this video only for Go. So just click on here Go and click here, and you see that we have a JSON file go.json. So we have some kind of specific format here, you see this format, but once we see this format and we just afraid because sometimes we do not know the JSON. So don't need to be worry about this. I will tell you the fastest and the very easy way to do this thing. So don't remember these things. It's very easy. I can explain you each and everything. You see example is there, just you copy this type of code and paste here and just do your work. But if you don't know JSON and you have some problem for JSON, so don't worry, I just give you one more tip also here. Just you go on internet and type here that snippet generator like this, and click on this website, and here you see we have a snippet generator for VS Code, Sublime and Atom, but we want for this. So suppose I want for main function, it may be any name, so I say function method, okay, name here, and I want to give the name is main fun, means I want to write automatically my main function. So my boilerplate code for main function. So here what I do just package main, then I create a function main here. Remember that we should write coding here, and I can write here fmt println welcome like this, and then I close this. So this is the minimum code that we have to write each and every time whenever we create a code. You see that automatically this code is generated. Function method, this. Why I write here function method? Because I'm creating for function main. You can write anything. If you are creating for array, so you can write here array function and something else, whatever you want to give. And this is the name which we have to remember, because I want this name. This name I will type there in VS Code, and automatically this code will come. This is the example to create your own boiler code using VS Code for Go language. So just I have to copy this. I can say copy snippets and go to here, and after the comment I can type here this information and save it. Just you have to do this. Now you forget, just close this one, and you see that this code I will do here. Just I have to write here main func. You see, just I click here and automatically my code is coming, and I save this and we have the code. You see, the same type of code we have just by a single click. Here also, if I want to just delete this, and here I type main func and click, automatically the code is coming. So it's very easy. For example, I want the connection of MySQL. If I want MySQL connection, then just copy this code here, and you have to code this user snippet again here, go there in this file, and this for this function you want to generate this code. So again what we do, just go to the website here and copy paste here this function, and give the name to MySQL func, and just copy this one here, and then again we just paste here and save it. So I have to give a different name here. I can say MySQL function, like this. Save it. Like this, and we have such kind of code, and I go there, here I type MySQL function, and you see I have the code here also. So like this you can create your own boiler code by using these snippets, and you can generate your snippets by using the snippet generator. Is a very good site. So here you can generate your code. Just copy this one and paste here in your go.json file, and automatically your boiler code will be generated. Now just you have to type the boiler code name, like I type my SQL function, and automatically I have a code. So this much is good for fast coding in Go language. If you really like this video, kindly like my video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.